Class 10, Chapter 2, Exercise number 2.3, Question number 1. Find the least positive value of x such that, right? The Roman number, 5 Roman numbers is given. The first Roman number is 71 congruent to x mod 8. Let's see the first sum. See the first Roman number is 71 congruent to x mod 8. Solution. So 71, I take this congruent to x mod 8, I take this x to another side, that is 71 minus x is equal to, right, 8n or 8k, whatever maybe we can take it as. Here n is some integer, right, n is equal to some integer. Now take this 8 to divide by 71, 71 divide by 8, what do you get? 8 8s are 64, remainder is 7. So this 7 should be subtracted from 71, then we get the exactly that number 64. So the x, let's say 71 minus 7 is equal to 64 is the multiple of 8, or is the divisible of number 8. We can use the word, both the word. So the least positive value is is 8, right? The least, sorry, that is 7, right? The least positive value is 7, right? Let's see the next Roman number 2. Okay, the second Roman number is given as 78 plus x congruent to 3 mod 5, right? Let me take it as 78 plus x, I take this 3 to this side, so we get minus 3 is equal to 5n or 5k, whatever may be here. N is the some integers. When subtract 78 minus 3 is, we get 75 plus x is equal to 5n. The total number 75 plus x, that number should be exactly divided by 5, or the 75 plus x, the number is exactly the multiple of 5, right? Let's check it. What is the number if I put x is equal to 1, what do you get? 76. It's not divisible 5. Right, and then put to 77, it is also not divisible by 5. 78 is not possible, 79 is not possible, 80 is exactly possible. So 1 2 3 and then 4 5. When I put the number 5, that number 75 plus 5 is equal to 80, right, is equal to 80 is the number exactly divisible by 5. So the least positive value of x is 5. That is the least positive value, right? Let's see the next Roman number. See, the Roman number 3 is given as 89 congruent to x plus 3 mod 4. Let me take it as 89, I take this term to this side, x plus 3 is equal to 4n, right? When I remove the bracket, 89 minus x minus 3 is equal to 4n. So 86 minus x is equal to 4n. So 86 minus some integer, that number is exactly divisible by 4. If I put 1, x equal to 1, we get 85. So it is not divisible by 4. And x is equal to 2, we get 84. 84 is exactly divisible by 4, right? So 86 minus 2 is equal to 84 is divisible by 4 or multiple of 4. We can say 84 is a divisible by 4 or 84 is a multiple of 4. Therefore the least positive value of x is, what is that? Number 2 is the least positive value of x. Okay, Roman number 4, 96 congruent to x by 7 mod 5. I take this term to another side, that is 96 minus x by 7 is equal to 5n, right? Taking LCM here, 6 7s are 42, 2 remainder 4, 7 9s are 63 plus 63 plus 4 is equal to 67 minus x whole divided by 7 is equal to 5n. Right? I take this term to this side, or otherwise we can keep here itself, and then whatever the number is put here, that number is divisible by 7, and then the reasonable number should be divided by 5, or otherwise we take this 672x is equal to, I take this 7 to this side, means that 5n. So this number is exactly divisible by 5. We want to check what is the number. So 672 is divisible by 35. We can check what is the remainder. That remainder should be how to subtract it here, right? 35 ones are 35, and then 2 3 2, right? And then so here we have, if it is a 10 times means 350. So here we have 322 only. So we put 9 times. 9 5s are 45. So here we have 9 times. 9 5s are 45. 5 remainder 4. 9 3s are 27 plus 4 31. So the remainder is 7. So when we divide this number by 35, we get the remainder 7. That is the least positive value. That is 672 minus 7 is equal to 665 is divisible by number 35. So the least positive value of x is, what is the least positive value? That is 7. Let's see the fifth Roman number. 5x congruent to 4 mod 6, right? I take this 4 to this side, that is 5x minus 4 is equal to 6n. Let's check the one by one. Then let's give the x is equal to value 1. What do you get? 5 ones are 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So 1 is not divisible by 6. 1 is not divisible by 6. Now let's give it as x is equal to 2. X equal to 2, what do you get? 6, 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So 6 is exactly divisible by 6. So the first least positive value is 5x minus 4 is equal to 6n. The least positive value is 5 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 6n. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6n. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 is exactly divisible by 6. Or otherwise you don't want to write all the steps, just write 5 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, right? The 6 is divisible by 6. Therefore the least positive value of x is, what is the least positive value? That is 2, right? You want to find out the next digit, means if the first digit we have find out that is 2, we want to find the next digit, means what is the divisible number? The divisible number should be add to the first number. 2 plus 6 is 8. Then 8 plus 6 is 14. These are the next number. Now check it. 5 8s are 40, right? 5 into 8 is 40 minus 4 is 36. So 36 is exactly divisible by 6. Okay, let's see the question number 2. See the question number 2. If x is congruent to 13 modulo 17, then 7x minus 3 is congruent to which number modulo 17? Asking question is x is congruent to 13. Let write the given formula. So that is the condition. The x is congruent to 13 modulo 17. The solution. Let's see the question solution. That is, x is congruent to 13 mod 17, right? First condition. Then what is the second condition is 7x minus 3 is congruent to which modulus of number 17? Here we want to find out what is the radius. First we want to find out what is the x value, and then x value should be applied here, and then we have to find out the remainder, right? X minus 13 is equal to 17k or 17n, whatever may be the integer. So here put x is equal to which value and subtract by 13, we get that number is divisible by 17. It clearly it is 30 minus 13 is equal to 17, right? 30 minus 13 is equal to 17 is divisible by 17, right? So when we have find out that x is equal to, therefore the least value, therefore x is equal to 30 is the least positive value. So no other number is x least, right? So the first starting number x is equal to 30 is the least positive value. அதுதான் கம்மியாக இருக்கிறதுலே. ஸோ இப்போ அந்த வேல்யூஸ் எடுத்து இதில் சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். That is 7x minus 3 is congruent to remainder mod 17. X is equal to 30 minus 3 is congruent to r mod 17, right? 7 into 3 is 210 minus 3 is equal to or congruent to r mod 17. When we subtract this, what you get? 207 is congruent to r mod 17, right? Now divide the 207 divide by the number 17. 17 ones are 17, remainder is 3, 37. 17 twos are 34, the remainder is 3. So the remainder 3 is the number here. So 207 is congruent to 3 mod 17. 3 mod 17. I take this term to this side, means what you get? 204. So 204 is exactly divisible by 17. Therefore the value of r is equal to 3, right? x க்கு கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் x க்கு இந்த வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணா 17 வரும். அது எக்ஸாக்ட்டா 17 ஆல டிவைட் ஆகும். அந்த வேல்யூ இதுல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணி எடுக்கிறோம். r ஓட என்னன்னா கேக்குறாங்க क्वेश्चनல. இந்த r வேல்யூ என்ன இருக்குன்றது அத வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். r is equal to 3. Let's see question number 3. Solve 5x congruent to 4 mod 6. இது same repeated sum. Question number 1ல Roman number 5 பார்த்திருக்கோம் ஏற்கனவே. சரிங்களா? அதே ஸ்டெப்பிங் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். 5x minus 4 is equal to 6n எடுத்துக்கிறேன். சரிங்களா? x is equal to 1 கொடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன வரும்? 5 1s are 5 minus 4 is 1 is not divisible by 6. அதுக்கடுத்து x equal to 2 கொடுக்குறேன். 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 6 exactly divisible by 6. So 5 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 is divisible by 6. Therefore the values of x is first number என்ன இருக்கு 2. நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் அடுத்த நம்பர் எழுதணும் அப்படின்னா நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இதுக்கு அடுத்த நம்பர் என்னென்ன வரும் அப்படின்னா எந்த நம்பரால் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணுறோமோ அந்த நம்பர் அதோட ஆட் பண்ணுங்கள் 8, இதோட 6 ஆட் பண்ணுங்கள் 14, ரைட்? செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். 5 8s are 40 minus 4 is 36. ஸோ கிளியர்லாம் என்ன இருக்கும் அது டிவைட் ஆகும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த 14 டிவைட் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். ஃபார் 14 into 5. ஸோ 14 into 5 is 70. 70 minus 4. 70 minus 4 இருக்கும் 66. 66ன்றது கண்டிப்பாக என்ன ஆகும்? நம்பர் 6ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகும். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் வேணும் அப்படின்னா இங்கே என்ன டிவைசபிள் நம்பர் இருக்கோ அதை அப்படியே ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே கொண்டு போய் நெக்ஸ்ட் எவ்வளோ நம்பர் வேணாலும் கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். சரிங்களா? தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.